me outside. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Kosey.
And my name is Gabby. And this is
Kosey and Gabby, baby. Today we are on the trail to Maracas Waterfall.
Yeah.
We haven't been here in a while. So, you know, the sky acting right.
Yeah,
you know?
it's looking good.
It's blue, you know the drill. Once the sky acting right, we outside.
Yeah.
So I am very excited for this one because we haven't been here in a while. I think the last one was like January.
Probably, I guess, January.
A while ago. So
yeah, months ago.
So we're back here again to enjoy the atmosphere, the environment, the scenery,
yeah,
company, all of that good stuff.
Before we get into this video, we just want to shout out
Chelsea!
Yeah, we just want to shout out
Chelsea! What's going on, Tomo?
So Chelsea is one of our close sisters.
All the way from Tobago!
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for watching. And yeah,
shout out to you, Seth.
Shout out to you. Chelsea has an online store. It's called
With the Hype. So check that out on Instagram.
Yep.
So we would definitely be leaving her information on the screen.
Yeah.
And her personal IG page as well because my sis is fire. Let's just say that, right?
Yeah.
So thanks again, Chelsea, for watching and supporting. Let's get into the video.
So I want to say that we reached maybe halfway to the waterfall. Wow, I'm sweating a whole lot. So yeah, I want to say that we reached maybe halfway. As we said before, this is not our first time coming on this trail. It's really the second time. Third time? Yeah.
Yeah.
Third time, yeah.
But the second time going all the way up.
Right. The first time we came, we went to the river, and that is the first right on the whole trail. And this time we'll just be going to the waterfall. So it's going good so far. I'm sweating. If you want to lose weight on a hike, wear a long sleeve because sweating even more. So yeah.
Oh wow. Alright guys, so I think we like quarter way there and I'm breathing hard. But I don't know, we just love hiking, so whether difficult or not, we did. But you know, let us know if you ever been to this hike, to this trail. Let us know down below in the comment section. And also, what other hikes do you think that we should go on? Because we want to go some more, you know? Alright, bye. Alright, so I know we said there's a hike and exercise, but this trail is up and down, side to side, bumpy. So this is looking like a hike. Because we can't even exercise properly because it's so difficult to get like a flat surface. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't know if it's just me, but when I hiking, I hate to be at the back because I always feel like somebody in the bush to get me. I don't know, probably I'm paranoid or something. Yeah, probably that. Just walking fast or something, but like this hike, it was real short.
minutes or like 15 minutes or something. Like the last time it seemed longer, probably because we like walking and talking and stuff like that. But anyway, I hope that you guys can hear me because the waterfall kind of loud, the breeze blowing and stuff like that. So yeah, but here looks really nice and the breeze is feeling so good, and you know, we're just gonna chill here for a little bit. I don't know if we're gonna exercise or if we're just gonna chill, but it's really, really calming, you know.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
So if we could, we would go and take a little baby bathes. It have like little rivers lower down and stuff like that, but we are not allowed to right now. We have some COVID restrictions, so
Yeah, and I don't want to get my hair wet anyways. I'll wait tomorrow.
I know that you guys saw some people coming in. There are people right now, but we just can't show them because
Fill in the blanks.
they're not really abiding by the rules or whatever. But you know, there are people here, so you don't have to worry about coming here by yourself.
Actually, don't come here by yourself.
Well, don't come by here by yourself, but like I mean, like in a small group, because there will always be people, you know, here and stuff like that. So actually, most hikes that we go on, people will just be chilling and, you know, walking and stuff. So yeah.
So we didn't get to exercise because the surfaces here are not flat.
Yeah.
So probably some other time. So we just,
next time.
yeah, so we just enjoying the view. And it's so peaceful up here. Come on, Lord, thank you. It's so peaceful and quiet. Well, besides the waterfall, but there's a nice song I could listen to.
Yeah.
So yeah, just chilling, heading back there just now.
Yeah, probably in like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll be out.
But until then, we're gonna enjoy this view. Alright. Alright guys.
So Kosey and I, we are reporting from the waterfall. It's so windy over here.
Guys, please take precaution when you come up to the waterfall.
Stay at home. Stay at home.
This is no weather to be outside.
Back to you at the station.
We will see you live at 6 o'clock. Thanks for watching, guys. Back to you, caller.
This is CWC News.
This is KGY News, and thank you for tuning in, guys. Again, no, we would not recommend. Okay, let me stop. enjoyed coming up here. It's been a while. So if you made it to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave hashtag shout out in the comment section if you want us to shout you out in our next video. So see you later.
Kosey are really looking like one of them.
What are we reporters?